Hi everyone, it's always nice to meet you in a new video. This is our daily video about the US100 cash index, and this is our forecast for Monday, 7th of August 2023. We start our video as usual with a quick review of what happened on the last trading session. Now, the index was under pressure on the last trading session. We had the low at 15,260 and the high 15,225. The close was 15,283, not far from the low. At the moment, the index is trading below the 20 days daily simple moving average, above the 50 days and above the 100 days and the 200 days daily simple moving average. Most likely we started a correctional phase, speaking of the moving averages, as an early indicator of what is happening in the market. However, moving on to the reliable supports area, we see the first support coming at market, because you are at the support. In fact, you are nearby the 50 days daily simple moving average. The second is 15,150, and ultimately you have 15,000. At least for now, it should act as a solid support. For the reliable resistance areas, which is highly important for sellers, you got the first at 15,370, the second at 15,020, 15,525, the high of the last trading session, and ultimately 15,600, the trend line. We move on to the trading strategy. Hi again, by far this is the most important part of the video, and we're going to start with the scheduled to be released news on the economic calendar. The market is waiting for the speeches from the United States, from the Fed members, Bowman and Harker, which will happen during the US trading session. Moving on for the market sentiment as expectations, at the moment the market is pricing any good news as bad news, because the market is worried that the Fed is going to do it again and hike again on September, and when the data is good, it gives like an excuse for the Fed for another hike. This is how the market is taking things up at the moment. Moving on to the charts and technicalities, uh, we will start with the chart we presented in our last video. We said that we are trading under the trend line, okay, but we suggested a buy ahead of 15,300, which made it clearly, and it did a retest of the trend line at 15,525. On the 4 hours chart, the picture is not bullish at all, but technically 15,000 should be a solid support in that area. Somewhere 15,070, if we get the market there, I think he will bounce easily 200 to 300 points. So I think we are going to stay between 15,000 to 15,400. This is my technical opinion until the CPI is out in a few days. That's all. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you tomorrow in another video.